Hello, my name is Sarah Pinder and I'm a barrister at Goldsmiths Chambers, and I'm here to present to you today the Insurmountable Obstacles Test, what it means for immigration professionals in a webinar. So in this webinar, we're going to look at the Insurmountable Obstacle Test and how really this is provided in the immigration rules and the relevant Home Office guidance. We'll look really as part of a large part of this webinar at an overview of the court's guidance on this particular test so far. And throughout, really, I'll touch on the common and problem cases, including the new minimum income rules cases that we can anticipate coming much more to the fore in later this year and continuing into next year. Really, ever since the major changes to the immigration rules in 2012, when this test of insurmountable obstacles really came back in, expressly back in the Appendix FM category of partner, that has been the subject of much litigation. We're now more than 10 years on. We're still seeing difficulties in the application of this test, in the evidence that we need to collate in order to meet this test. And applicants and practitioners are now facing major changes, as I mentioned, to the levels of minimum income rules. So it's become all the more important, really, to grapple with this. So this short updating webinar will help practitioners hopefully understand what the test requires and how best to succeed in applications, invoking this threshold, particularly in those anticipated minimum income rule applications. I should add at this stage that insurmountable obstacles is the test that is expressly referred in EX1, as we'll see, for in-country applications, but really it's a shortcut also for the relevant thresholds that would be applied more widely under Article 8 for entry clearance applications also. So whilst there may be much focus in this webinar on EX1, really the test under Article 8 more widely of unjustifiably harsh consequences is really also applicable here.